I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit.
It's ladies' night. Period. This is my lovely sis. Okay. She just here for the food. She just here for the food. Look at my sis.
You can open them, but I think they like more. They already opened it. No, you eat those ones, but I was just telling you, like,
The one
they is. They less messier. And the other ones, they get in between your teeth.
I'm pulling to a little stingy, but you know. It's cool.
I thought one was like the Dorito one. Oh, word, they both. One is bigger than the other. I didn't open it.
About to get this thing started. I'm about to put my hookah together, get my drink together. Shut up. And about to get this night started. I'm excited. But her, she cheated. Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want that love in my soul still. Feels like the first time we met. Then I told you I loved you. We still run around like teenagers, even though we grown and married with kids.
I'm toasted too. Hold up, wait. Favorite cousin.
Which is me, y'all. Y'all can't see me. Y'all see the arm.
Real, she never switched up on me. And my aunt Vera, no matter what we go through, we argue, we block each other. But that's my baby. I love her. I love you too, baby. And my baby too. No, bitch, I'm your favorite sister. My favorite dad sister. I love her. Now, I'm not getting on Eric for this. I'm the favorite girl. Tell her where it is. I tell her what it is. I love her. And if I can find it, y'all heard her talking. Y'all know how she coming. You go right here coming. So my husband, y'all, Monday, November 31st, made 5 years.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations!
We was having an entanglement. Bitch, you was fucking with me for 4 years. What? What? Bitch, I put y'all on.
At this point, 1, 2, 3.
I met Shay since 2008.
So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a short video because I just want to do a quick little unboxing because I'm so excited that my boots came that I ordered from the website. I don't know exactly how you pronounce the name of the website, but the way I say it is called Sense. So I got my Alexander McQueen boots from that website and I actually got them on sale, so I'm very excited. Let me tell you guys the name of the boots. So they're actually called the Alexander McQueen Chelsea boots. So I'm not really a like shoe girl, like I'm more of a sneaker girl. So like anything that kind of looks sporty or like, you know, sneakery, I mean like just I would say sporty. I'm like a sporty shoe girl. Like anything that looks sporty I'm with. I'm like dressy shoes and stuff like that. I'm such a sneaker girl. Like I'm go-to sneakers, everything. So I just wanted to make this video. They were actually called the there I said the Alexander McQueen Chelsea boots. So they're originally, I think they were, let me look. They were originally like $730. I got them on sale for $533. So I'm very excited about that. I didn't buy any boots this winter, but I felt like I just seen these boots and I wanted this type of trendy style because it's in right now. So I feel like this matches what my style is and it's still on the designer side. So I feel like I would get a good use out of these boots. So hold on for a second. Let me unbox. Let me see if I can get a good thumbnail. So this is the box that it came in. Alexander McQueen's, they boxes are so freaking big. Like, and I only wear 8.5, so I can imagine what a size 12, 10, or whatever it looks like. Like, this box is super big, but the sole is really big, so of course it has to be big. So this is a dust bag that it came in. So this is a dust bag. And these are the Alexander McQueen. They are so cute. So look at the details. Check the deets. Check the deets. So it says Alexander McQueen's on the little thing that you pull up with. This is the sole of the boot. It's like a nice leathery feel. The sole is like thick. It's like rubbery. So yeah. So yeah, these are the boots. So I'm gonna actually try to I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on my feet, but I'm about to call my boyfriend up here so he can get it for me because I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time showing you guys. So this is how the boot looks on. It's really thick. You see the details? It says Alexander McQueen on the side. They actually comfy, like really comfy. It's really nice. Don't mind my UGG, yo. Don't mind my UGG. They are just so cute to me. So that completes this video. If you guys are thinking about purchasing, I think it's definitely a good luxury purchase. So go check them out. I'm not sure exactly how many ones they have left in stock. I know they have different ones because I've seen another ones that like was kind of shaped like these but like has shoestrings. So you probably could find those. And I've seen these other ones that was kind of like glittery. But for some reason I just needed a, you know, a plain black boot for the, you know, the winter time. I feel like this can last me a while and things like that. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.